Hello everybody, Nate the Locksmith here to teach you something about padlocks. This was a Paclock padlock that we have. Aluminum body, this is the housing. This is our shackle, and these two ball bearings are what keeps it locked with this actuator here. So when the actuator is sitting at rest, it's like that, pushing out against those ball bearings. As soon as you turn the key, allows the ball bearings to slide in and the shackle to pop open. There's that spring that has your shackle pop open, your cylinder where you actually have your key inside of there, and it's got a little notch on the end that works with the actuator. These pieces actually keep your cylinder in the bottom there, and then this pin is a shackle retaining pin on the back here. As I put this back together, I'll show you how all of these work. So let's put you guys over here. Okay, we're going to start by putting the actuator back in. Just like that. He sits all the way down in there. It's kind of hard to see, but you see him ready for that cylinder to work. Now let's take our key in our cylinder, put our cylinder in, and when we come over here, I've got this side where I'm going to put my shackle spring in. Then I'm also now, there's a little hole right inside of there. It's kind of hard to see. It'll be easier to see, but that's where the ball bearing sits. So I'm going to put my ball bearing right down in there. See, he sits right there. Now, I'm going to turn my key a little bit. Get our actuator turned so our shackle can sit down in there. Okay, let's take the cylinder out and key. We don't need those guys right now. I'm going to put this shackle retainer screw back in so we don't have to worry about our shackle flying out every time we turn the key. Now, I need that other ball bearing in there. So what I can do first is secure my cylinder in there. So put him in there. Okay. Put this guy on this side. Put my female threads in there. My male threads go right inside there. The little screw goes right in there. Okay, screw him in. Keep that cap on the bottom. Put my ball bearing back in on this side. Now when we lock up our lock, he's in. Put our lock in, and there you have it. Great Paclock lock. Thanks for watching.